Do you realize how many built-in functions there are in Google Sheets? There are a whole lot. 513 to be exact. Now, I will link the official documentation as well as this Google Sheet that I built about the Google Sheet functions in the comments in the description below. You can go through the various tabs here and search for functions. Say it's got date in it, you can just pull them up real easily here. It'll give you a little brief snippet about it, as well as the link to the official documentation there for you to go check out. You can search for things up here. So you want to find the import statements. There they are right there. Here's the full-on list of absolutely everything. And then they've also broken them up by type. So there's different categories where they break them up by. And you can pull them up and sort them by category. Here are those categories and the number of functions based on each category. I was kind of surprised. I figured there was a couple hundred, but there are, no kidding, 513, at least from what I scraped this week from the official documentation. Go find you a function that'll help you out. Have a great one. Bye.